Setting up the system's delayed arm and alarm feature. When you're setting this feature up, please note the amount of time you will give yourself to disarm the alarm once you've entered the premises is also the same time the intruder gets within the premises before the alarm will go off. So please consider a time frame you will give yourself before programming that feature. To program that feature, we need to put in the password, which is 123456, followed by hash, followed by star. We're in startup mode now, and on page 18 you will find the detailed instructions for that. So for example, we're going to give ourselves 15 seconds to enter the building and disarm the alarm. And when we leave the building, it will also give us 15 seconds to leave the premises, and the alarm will go into active armed state. So we press star 2 star 1 5 star, and 3 beep means our command has been acknowledged and setting has been set.